Hey guys, welcome.
Hi.
We have two $25 Target gift cards, and we're going to do some resale arbitrage with these to see how much we can turn them into. Join us. So we could go ahead and grab like a big bag of dog food or something practical like that, but
Why?
yeah, we're going to reinvest it in our business. We got a free $50 here. We'll have a running gift card total, so stay tuned and check out our what solds to see how much we have turned this into and how we're going to reinvest it with some more retail arbitrage.
Bullseye.
So I think we are going to split up, cover a little bit more ground, and let's see what we can come up with.
Okay, let's go. This Target actually has an Ulta. I'm looking over here at cosmetics that are on sale. I don't think I should be in this. I think I should be in the underpants or something. But
I think my best chance of finding the most profitable item is going to be in electronics or perhaps toys. So I'm headed there. Or if I can find a big clearance section, that'd be even better. Now there wasn't much in the way of the electronics, not a whole lot of clearance items, but it was a different story in the toys. It was right after Christmas, so there were a lot of toys on sale. Unfortunately, it was kind of picked over and kind of messy, and hard to find what you were looking for. Here's something that we could send into Amazon, and the lowest price and minus fees and everything at a $7.49 buy cost. It would be basically doubling our money. There are 3 of them. Here's a possibility, but I think we can find something better.
well, I usually go to the underwear department. That's like my first go-to, and it is a complete bust, absolute bust. So now I have to regroup. I'm regrouping. Target is not an easy place today to shop, especially this one. I've never been to such a messy Target. Look at this. It is so picked over. None of this stuff is on sale either. Like literally, it's empty. Empty. And there's no... Oh, I see a clearance sign. Do you see it?
Here's another one on clearance for $7.50. Looks like Amazon.com actually has the lowest offer right now at $15. Otherwise, we could go all the way up to almost $30 on Prime for the other offers. So this is another possibility. We just have to compete with Amazon.com.
I found a couple of chinos for women. I like them because they're a size 14, and I think this one's also a size 12 or something, but they're on sale for $9, and I like a new day, and I think it really depends on what size you get. So I know I can triple my money for these at least. I'm gonna throw these in the cart and talk to Dustin.
Here's something familiar, Baby Alive, and these are on clearance for $12.74. Now on Amazon.com itself has one for $27.99. And the next one up is $35. I think we could price it somewhere around $30 and at least double our money. There's 2 of them here.
There's so many cute things here. And most of them are not on sale, you guys. They wanted $100 for this Lego holiday feeling wreath set. I can't believe it. It's not on sale. That's $100, and then the other one I loved was the poinsettia, and this poinsettia is $50.
Whoa.
Look, baby squish. Look at the baby squishy mellows.
Oh, okay.
Consistently selling on eBay for $12.99 plus shipping.
So we're going to just scour a little bit more. It was pretty tough to find something here to flip, to be honest with you.
It was really hard today. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put these back. They're only
Okay.
$9, but I think that Dustin found some stuff that is pretty exciting.
It might sell.
These will sell, but
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't want to take pictures of these when I could take pictures of a Squishamallow.
Yeah, or something similar. So I think we'll go back with some of these toys that I found earlier, like these right here. I think we'll be able to triple our money on those. I believe we can even send those into Amazon, which is pretty cool. So we'll grab both of those. Also, let's see, so that is $15. And I believe also these right here, actually. These look like we could at least get something out of it, so I think we can get at least one of those.
Look at it, cutie.
Super cute.
Just want one?
That would make $25. Yep. Yeah. So I think that is our take. We have 5 good toys here that I believe we can send all these on Amazon. The toys were our best bet here today, which is pretty cool because this Baby Alive, I mean, that is such an iconic, brand, right? So that should be almost a no-brainer to send in a really good price on that. So that's what we got, and we're gonna pay just about $50 for those. We might go over by like a couple cents. Into 51.13, just a little bit over.
High five.
We spent that $350, cost us $1.13, and we project to get about $150 or $120 in sales there. And we're gonna keep adding that to our gift card total and keep reinvesting it. So stay tuned, and we'll let you know what is sold on our What's Sold videos. And thanks so much for spending time with us, guys.
As always, take care and we will see you soon.
That's up to you.
Bye.